Welcome back my channel Cars is Car. Introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the beast, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. A machine that takes American muscle to supercar levels, blending power, design, and innovation into one incredible package. Design and exterior. Right off the bat, the ZR1 commands attention. Its mid-engine architecture gives it a low, aerodynamic profile, while advanced aero elements, like the massive rear wing, aren't just for show. They add over 1,200 pounds of downforce, keeping this car glued to the track at high speeds. Plus, carbon fiber components, from the hood to the wheels, enhance both performance and style. Interior features. Inside, it's all about luxury meeting performance. You get premium leather upholstery, digital displays with driver-centric controls, and a flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters. Chevrolet offers an open-top convertible version too, but you'll miss the view of that beastly V8 engine. Performance highlights. Now let's talk power. This monster packs a 5.5-liter twin-turbo V8 delivering a mind-blowing 1,064 horsepower and 828 lb-ft of torque. The ZR1 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, matching rivals like the Ferrari SF90, and tops out at a blistering 233 miles per hour. All this power is managed by an upgraded 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and advanced traction control for a smooth, controlled drive. Unique selling points. So, what makes the ZR1 stand out? Beyond sheer speed, it offers unparalleled value. Priced around $150,000, it delivers hypercar-level performance at a fraction of the cost. This is the most powerful production Corvette ever made, combining track-ready performance with the reliability you expect from Chevrolet. Final thoughts. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 isn't just another car, it's a statement. With cutting-edge aerodynamics, record-setting speed, and a thunderous V8, it pushes the limits of what American engineering can achieve. If you're looking for a ride that offers adrenaline-pumping thrills without the European price tag, the ZR1 is your ticket. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments.